There's sweet music in the calling of the raindrops as they're falling, with their patter on the gables of an iron roof at night. I can hear the rhythmic drumming of the downpipe softly humming. There's sweet music in the raindrops on an outback roof at night. With the whisper of a breeze as it murmurs through the trees, comes the chorus of the bullfrogs as they come to life again. And the melody that's ringing from those 1,000 voices singing, it's a hymn of praise to heaven for the steady soaking rain. In the brief but brilliant brightening from the intermittent lightning, there's the white and ghostly glimmer of the water on the ground. As I stand and look in wonder, there are rolling claps of thunder, and the power of nature echoes in the vastness of its sound. When the Mitchell grass is growing and the inland rivers flowing, when they're swollen with the runoff from the great monsoonal rain, it's a joy that's shared by others of my western grazing brothers. And we'll forget about the hardships and we'll praise this land again. Yes, those mystic notes enthralling of the raindrops softly calling are the rhapsody of nature. That's the grazier's delight. As I hear the rhythmic drumming of the downpipe softly humming, I give thanks to God and nature for an outback home tonight.